Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and heading straight to Privacy and Personalization. This central page groups controls so you can act efficiently. Once there, open Activity Controls to pause or delete web and app activity and location history, and then check Ad Settings to limit personalization. Make sure two-factor authentication and a recovery email or phone are active so you don't lose access when adjusting permissions. These steps immediately reduce what Google stores while keeping your account secure for further changes. Once done with the initial toggles, dive into the more detailed controls. Set auto-delete windows. Choose 3, 18, or 36 months to limit long-term storage and explicitly turn off YouTube or web history if you prefer. Then review location history and device permissions to revoke access for apps you no longer use, and inspect third-party app access under Security. Make sure to use Manage All Activity to search and remove specific items by date or keyword. This targeted cleanup removes past data while preserving useful settings. To complete the process, run Google's Security Checkup and Data and Privacy Review to confirm recent devices, revoke any unfamiliar app access, and finalize ad personalization limits. If you want a local copy, use Google Takeout to export select data before deleting it online. Finally, make sure settings propagate by saving changes and waiting a few minutes. If something doesn't apply, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or retry in an incognito window. This usually resolves sync or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.